Boom. Yeah. Making the time to go in nature. Very, very important. You know, every day we should, even if it's just going into a park, like I'm doing here, it's just a park. It's a nice park. It's a very, very nice park. Like now the water is very, very low. So we can walk pretty much all over. Such a beautiful place here. Oh, Gavin, there's all kinds of minnows here. All kinds. This is the minnows paradise. Oh yeah, there's a lot, Gavin. But they move fast, eh? They move fast, those little fish. Look at this place, how nice it is. Not nice, beautiful. Nice, not a nice word. Yeah, and we should time to go in nature so much. Because I see people like it's super nice. It's summertime. It's, you know, it's summertime vibes there. It's amazing. Eh? Look at this. I don't get to have this in the winter here, and that's gonna last what, 3-4 months like this in the whole year. The rest of the time we're back in the cold weather and the snow, and I see people wasting their time a lot on TVs and inside their box. Total nonsense. And go out. My advice to you: go out, go in nature at least once a day. At least once a day, a few hours. It feels good. I know we're busy. We have busy lives. I'm conscious of that. But you make time for what you want in life. You're gonna make time for what you. If you love watching TV, you're gonna make time to watch TV. It's clear. If you love nature, you're gonna make time to go in nature. But it's important to to harmonize with nature. Harmonize with nature. Very important. Because also your vibes are gonna go up. Your vibrations are gonna benefit from that. For sure. Oh, there's all kinds of minnows. Look at this. I don't know if you can see them. I guess the little fish stays where the algae is too. That's probably what they eat. I was wondering the other day what they eat. But...
I got bit pretty bad.
Huh? Got bit by? What do you mean you don't know? You got bit by what? A bee? A fly? A mosquito? Ah, a spider, probably. There's a spider on Water Island. Something jumped at you? Yeah. Come on. Yeah, you have a big... Hold on, guys. Emergency. Gavin got bit in Water Island. Hold on, I'm coming to the rescue. Show me the scar. Yeah, I would put water right away on this. Water right away on it. There's blood. We have blood.
Ow!
It's nothing. It's just a...
Probably like those water, bro.
Yeah. So beautiful day, huh, Gavin? Majestic place here. Like I said, it's important to make time to come in nature at least once a day. Connect with nature, with what we are. Very important. Not lose that connection. Anyway, you have that connection because you're still young. So You probably haven't broken that connection, even though you are living in the same world as me, so same influence. There's all kinds of minnows here, Gavin. Full, full, full. Such a beautiful place. You see, here I'm all the way on, still on the rock. All kinds of little fish. Look, you can probably see them in the water.
Daddy, this is our big boat.
I'm sure you can see them. But they go so fast, these fish.
Wanna come over there with me?
They go so fast.
Huh? Over there on that island?
Go, vas-y. I just came back from there. Me, I'm fascinated at the amount of minnows in here. That's a good sign. That means it's reproducing. It's good. It's good. More minnows, more fish. Eventually, it's gonna make big fishy. Yeah. Yeah. Learn to appreciate nature more. Important. Hold on. Huh?
I'm safe.
Gavin went to explore. Just be careful because some places there's like little O's now, not big though, but I stepped in one yesterday. When we awaken the spirit, we nurture our higher self. The higher self is something we can really, I can sense it because you have the default state of your the default state version of you, and you have the. It's very freaking hot here today, huh, Gavin?
Here's a hole.
Very hot, eh? And it's what, 11 o'clock in the morning now?
Imagine
Woo.
at night.
I think it must be like 30 degrees minimum. It's minimum 30 degrees for sure now. It's a very hot day.
This is a walking stick.
Summer has finally arrived. Hey, Gavin?
Yeah.
It's about time.
Let's sail the boat. Turn her on.
Yeah, this looks like different things to different people, the higher self. To some, the spirit may involve prayer. For others, caring for the spirit may be reflected by communing with nature or listening to moving music. For yet others, awakening the spirit involves service, volunteerism, and living for a crusade larger than oneself. It's always better to be part of something larger than yourself. Sure. The more deeply we know ourselves, the more we can make authentic choices to make the leadership journey back home to the place that we have always known. At our core, we have wanted to be. We have wanted to be. In the Greco-Roman temples of the past, above the entrance, one would often find the following word: know thyself, and you will know the secrets of the universe and the gods. Know the self. Know the self. Growth. Growth. Probably snapping turtle.
I'm gonna be back. Come back.
Growth sometimes comes in difficult ways, but growth is always good. If you could look down at your life from a 50,000-foot perspective, you would see that everything that's happening is very beautiful. Priceless, actually. Priceless.